What is up, YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you guys again. Today, I'm out here at a beautiful location. We call this place The Bluff, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 top tips you can use for your Amazon FBA business to get you more sales, to build that brand. And this isn't even talking about just Amazon FBA in general, guys. This is going to help you all across the board in any business you ever start. So the 3 things I want to break down, the 3 top tips, are going to be really simple. It's actually having a barrier to entry to start selling your product in the first place. It's also going to be differentiating that product and then following up with customer service. So I want to go in a little bit more in depth with these and show you how you can utilize these for your Amazon business more specifically. So having a barrier to entry is what I've done with my latest product, and it's what I've seen people use in strategies all across the board with these really top-notch Amazon sellers. What they actually end up doing is getting a product that may cost a lot more than normal people can go source products for. So that's why I'm selling products, over $100. Each of them cost me $40 a unit, and usually your suppliers from China are going to make you order a minimum order quantity of product. So usually you can't order less than 100 products, and if you're ordering 100 products for $40 each, that's already $4 grand to start up. And any new sellers aren't going to want to drop that much money if they're especially new and don't know how the whole playing field works. Another barrier to entry that I like to use is having FBA approval for your product. Simply ask your supplier if they have the paperwork for FBA approval. You will need to send those in to Amazon so that they can verify that your supplier is selling you legit stuff and you won't have any customer problems. And just those 2 barriers of entry alone are going to separate you from so many other sellers. You're going to start to see that a lot of people aren't even trying to sell that kind of stuff because they want the quick, easy route. Okay, now let's move into product differentiation, guys. I did make this mistake myself in the beginning. I didn't differentiate my product at all. I didn't add a bundle to it, and just adding a 2-pack or a bundle or a complementary item can separate you from so many of your other competitors that it won't even be funny. And when Amazon customers go to your product and see that you have a free gift, or you're doing a 2-pack and your product price is only, $5 more or something than your competitors, there's no reason they're not going to want to go with yours. So I always suggest, read the customer reviews, see what people want in that product that other competitors are not utilizing in their own listing and for their own product. Come into the marketplace, bring that value, start with like a PPC campaign, and you can start ranking up to the first page right when you get your product in. Of course, ask maybe some friends or something to buy it first, get those initial reviews on your product. But once you have that, run PPC, and you're going to be standing out, and everyone's going to say, wow, this guy's got a really, affordable price compared to the competitors, but he's offering a 2-pack. Why not buy his if one product is $10 and the 2-pack is only $13? It's not like I got to spend $20 for 2 individual items from the same seller. So that's what product differentiation can be, guys. There's a lot of other ways you can do it. If you have a product that's in the fitness niche, you can offer an ebook and give some different workouts, or a cooking product, you can offer recipes in this ebook that you can make yourself. And honestly, you can just send that to each customer. After they order your product, you can send them an email right through Amazon itself. So that's really easy to do. The last thing I wanted to tell you guys about is customer service. This is so key to building your brand, and so many people don't do it. A lot of people are worried about, if these Chinese suppliers can come in and sell these products for even a lower price than I am, I'm not going to be able to do well. But in regards to them selling, they oftentimes will not bring the best customer service. So if you guys step it up, customers are going to be repeating, buying from you. They're going to go do word of mouth, telling their friends, this is where I got it. These guys are awesome. They gave me a discount, all this other stuff. But the main thing I want to talk to you about customer service, and some tips that you can actually use yourself, is to go ahead and include a product insert card in your product packaging. This is really easy to do, and I'll put a picture up right now of what mine looks like. You can use some of the wording on your own. I literally had a guy from Fiverr make this 3-page product insert card for $8, guys. I simply sent the file over to my supplier. They made a copy, inserted it in each of my product packages, and now my customers will know exactly how they can leave a review on my product, and more importantly, where they can go to find a coupon, which is going to be on my Facebook page, so that I can get Amazon customers out of Amazon where, I'm kind of held by Amazon's terms of service, and I can get them over to my Facebook page or Facebook group where I can now interact with them a lot more. I can launch more products to them in the future, and it's just so much better for building your brand than if you just do not include a product insert card at all. The last huge thing is they want to be able to contact you if they have a problem with their product, guys. This is something that I ran into with my first test batch of units. I didn't have this product insert, and literally customers didn't even know how to turn my item on. Another barrier to entry is selling electronic items, guys. I started selling these. People want to avoid that a lot of the time, but now with my product insert, if a customer ever has a problem with this, they can go contact me before they go ahead and write a negative review because they said the item was defective, it didn't even turn on, something like that. So having that in there, letting them know your business email address, your phone number, where they can go check out your Instagram or your YouTube channel if you decide to make one of those for your product, it's just going to be a well-rounded way to, you know, have resources for your customers to go contact you and ask their questions if they have any. So that was my 3 big tips that you guys can utilize, guys. Having barriers to entry, differentiating your products, and then finally following up with customer service and getting good reviews on your product and avoiding the negative ones, guys. It's that simple. So this content really should help you guys in any business, especially Amazon FBA. If you haven't checked out my channel more, guys, please subscribe because I've made over 200 videos talking about Amazon FBA specifically and strategies to go ahead and make more sales, get more reviews, all of the above, guys. And we even do interviews on this channel all the time with 7-figure Amazon sellers. That's in the millions, guys. So drop a like on the video if you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.